Today I am going to teach you how to add 2D or 3D text behind an object using the Snapseed mobile app. So, let's start editing. Open the photo from the Snapseed app. I crop the photo a bit so that the object comes right in the middle. Now we can add some text to this photo. Move the text to the suitable place. Apply a matching font and color. Now go to View Edits and follow the steps. Let's arrange the text behind this rock and the girl. This may take some time to do very well. These arrows control the amount. You can add text by making the amount 100 and delete the text by making the amount 0. This must be done with great patience. Now that we have added the 2D text, let's see how to add the 3D text. Save the edited photo now. Now open the edited photo again from the Snapseed app. Go to the text. Add the same text as before. Add a color to match the background. Make it look like a 3D. Now go to View Edits and follow the steps. I'm going to add some color grading look to the text. Now our work is done. Look the final result. To watch more videos like this, subscribe my channel and stay tuned.